How to open the YouTube Studios in the form of a website in your mobile application. So hey guys, if you're wondering how you can open the YouTube Studios website in your mobile device, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have uninstalled the YouTube Studios application from your device, because if the application is installed, you will be always automatically redirected to the particular application instead of staying in the website. So the first thing you need to make sure is that the YouTube Studios application is not present in your device, and then the next thing you're gonna do is open any web browser of your choice. So in this case I am gonna go with the Google Chrome, and then once in the Chrome, head on to the Google and search for YouTube Studio. Once you have searched for here, you can see this first hyperlink by Google. Simply click on the YouTube Studio, or alternatively you may also head on to the studio.youtube.com. So here you can see that my YouTube Studio has been successfully opened into my web browser. So that's how you can open your YouTube Studio website in your mobile device. So if this video helped you, make sure to drop a like and smash that subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.